The government is sweating over possible protests during the Southern African Development Community SADC Summit to be held next month amid revelations that security agencies are on high alert to thwart any planned unrest. It is imaged. Ashperi Moshe, sana bina mashoko, abdashi nyogwa panapa, News Day, notable subscribe, or like out on the bell, continue on your chiti. President Emerson Mnangagwa, who assumed the rotational chairmanship of the bloc, is using the summit to rubber stamp his victory in last year's disputed elections. Election Observer Mission said failed to meet the minimum standards for the holding of free, fair and credible poll, according to critics. The summit is scheduled for August 17 to 18. Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazembe yesterday sent a chilling warning to anyone who is plotting unrest during summit. If there is someone who is planning lawlessness during the SADC Summit, is warned that the security sector will deal with you accordingly. The president said we should be peaceful and welcome our visitors cheerfully, Kazembe said. Speaking during the burial of Brigadier General Michael Chaminuka, Mnangagwa urged people to be welcoming and peaceful during the summit. Twatirikuona kuti ava vakomana ava vari kusweta, vari kutya, vari kugwagwadza nekuda kuti vari kutyika maprotest vachiudzwa kuteretera matoti aiwa tiri kumbororo nyararo. Tudze mabvungiro enyu pine comment section medu muti kudi pamusoro penhau iyi. Musangano subscribe, kulike, pamwe chete noturn on the bell icon.